Okay, we're going to download CCleaner, install, and run a clean. So first thing, we go to CCleaner. Okay, we're here. There's a download. Now we go get this one. Okay, now we'll install Edge. There's a security message here. Say yes. Okay, we're going to install. We can customize. It's easy to install. I'm just going to click customize just so we can see what it's going to do. Add a shortcut at our menu. Definitely want the recycle bin. Intelligent scan for cookies. But go ahead and install. Then let's not take the browser. Tries to install a browser. Okay, now we can run. Okay, there's a couple key areas here that we need to look at. Brush through them real quick. Please pause the video at each step if I go too fast. Let's start the cleaner. Gonna pop up a couple messages. We want to close those. Upon setup, really we want to go to smart cleaning. Make sure it's not checked, because that'll run in the background. That actually makes your system slower. But what we do want is to click the registry. Want to scan. This might return some revealing results. This will erase the registry entries in Windows, and then references to things that aren't there anymore. It'll greatly improve the speed of Windows. So I go ahead and say, okay, let's back up the registry. And we'll just stick it in the documents. And then we're going to fix all issues. There's 12 on this. Okay, they're all fixed. Closed. So that's the first thing that we do with CCleaner. The next is to go to Custom Clean. And we want to check the boxes down below, because a lot of people leave these unchecked. And these check boxes here are probably the most important for CCleaner. So once you've reviewed this and take a look at the different check boxes that we put on here, this yourself. Now, a really important one for the first time cleaners is to wipe the free space. And that will actually do the kind of the defrag and other cleaning, but it will take quite some time, several hours actually, if not longer. I've seen it take several days, but it does work effectively, and it will fix a system that's really lagging and has a lot of issues. So it's already analyzed. We're just going to go ahead and run the cleaner. You could do the analyze, but it's like you're doing it twice, and to me that takes a long time. So I just check these boxes and then hit run cleaner. It's going through and making use of all the check boxes and cleaning everything in order. Okay, so this one says that there's still a program open, even though I don't have anything open. There's still something running on the system, and it wants to clear it out. So I'm going to say, don't show this again, but yes, clear. Okay. So the system is completed. You can see it clean, almost 5 gigs worth of stuff. So that's really the essentials for running CCleaner, having it available for your weekly PC cleanup.